brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. A ramp with my mother food. Spanish town.
Hey guys, good morning. I kind of just woke up. I'm here trying to clean up the room and such. Everybody, they left, and Kimara is not here from work yet, so I'm me one day, and I'm just trying to clean up the room to make it look a little bit better, so when he comes home, at least the place is clean. God got me head at itch me, man. Look how my head look. But anyways, I was supposed to go to Westmoreland this morning. I would have been on my way there already, but unfortunately, it's been raining from last night, and my brother told me that, my stepbrother told me that Westmoreland flood out, so we just have to wait and see what I'm going. But trust me, last night it's been raining. It's been raining all night long. Like, let me check if it's still raining. See, it's still raining. It has not stopped, and I think it's because of that storm that I was telling you guys about. So yeah, so I'm just here trying to do a little cleaning. Just kind of happy, you know. Come on to a clean house, right? Then I gotta look about something to eat. I don't know if I'm the only person, like when you're at people's house and they're here, like you feel awkward to use the kitchen and everything, but when you're by yourself, you feel more comfortable, right? But I just so miss you. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next clip, and I will tell you guys if I am still going to Westmoreland. Actually, you guys will see if I'm going to Westmoreland or not. So yeah. So because Kimar is by himself and nobody is here, the man's in like some really, really good mood. But we are listening to Ragin King new song. Hey. Kimar, leave me alone. I try to find the key. Hey guys, I know that right now it is kind of dark in my video. Adisa, you not even show me which one. No, you see me ever really open here? Adis? Oh, on the first try. So guys, I'm gonna go grab some pizza and thing, and Kemar is going to work, so me just shut up. Me just go follow him. Me just left out same time as him, you know, so I don't have to be alone. But he's hating as always. But yeah, today, guys, I swear it rained all day long, from last night to today straight. I think in the previous clip I said that. I think it's been raining all day long. Like, I couldn't believe a lot of parts of Jamaica flood right out right now. Can't believe. So man, it takes so long. Yo, you guys hear the cricket? I said the cricket them loud your fart. And people who are here, they don't normally what's the word, recognize it, or they don't realize it because they're so used to it, right? But no say loud, man. Sometimes when you dip on phone call with them and they loud in my background and it annoying. Holy, this a bready and hurry up. And him there rush me too. You're finally ready. So I am here at Pizza Hut, just waiting. I placed my order, but apparently they might get fixed, so I'm just here waiting. So guys, I am just coming back from Pizza Hut, and I am by myself. Kimar, as I said before, Kimar was going to work, so they am well one PP. Ooh, I feel awkward saying me when I go to home right now, you know. Oh boy, I'm gonna take out my key now. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon. I'm just here. They just crimp up me here because I was bored. Kimar's sleeping. We're supposed to go to Bay today to go do some stuff. I don't know what he wants to do, but he said he want to go Bay, so we're gonna do that when he wakes up. Yeah, we're just here. I made breakfast this morning. Fried dumpling and tuna. Chef Shickaa. Shana K was cleaning and washing and stuff, so we're just here. You know, when people are there, you have to take up responsibility, right? So yeah, right? Shana K was washing and rain started to come down, so she put the clothes on the veranda, and now the sun is out. Like, seriously. But I saw it go. But yeah, guys, check you guys back later. Now if you bring my key everywhere.
No, necessary assets them for if you go with me.
Yeah, we're going downtown.
Have to take out the phone and video, Ah, father!
We're going downtown now. He's gonna trim off his hair. Like, I'm sad. It's because it's getting out of control. You know when you get to that hair length where you just have to do something with it, but due to reasons, he cannot do his hair, like plait it up and them something there. So now it's just starting to get to a rate where it looks scruffy and it can bad. So yeah, we are going out.
Oh. I'm going to run down taxi.
Yeah, me say, oh, in case you want to see some people are run down the bus. Let me tell you this story about, let me tell you this time when one time the fucking bus was right there and me I run it down. I wasn't running it down, it was at the stop, and I was at the stop and me get up and the man driver told me Bex me take up one rock stone and fling it at the back window, bro. I was so mad. Imagine I'm right there. It's the bus, bro, the transit, the public transit. And it was at the bus stop. I don't care. It was on time and I was there at the bus stop. And the bus drive me, take the rock and lick it on the bus. I was so mad. One time, when I used to work overnight at McDonald's, and I start work 11. Yes.
Brother, look off your phone, man, and dash your problem.
Me start work 11 o'clock, right? And me sit down, I was already late.
Yo,
I was already...
Turn on the phone. I'm not even seeing the record.
Leave me alone. I was already late for work and I was there sitting at the bus stop. The first bus, the man literally saw me and he drove past me. And at them time, the bus run every 30 minutes. One next bus come, what the bus do? No see him to go drive past me. Bro, some public transportation, them terrible. Where?
One load of shit.
Well, let me give you guys a fit of the day. Glasses from Beauty Box Accessories as always. Shirt. You guys probably saw these shorts in my last series of Jamaica vlogs. Exactly. I wear them shorts about 100 times already. My favorite shorts, they're so comfortable.
Like a crime if you rape on it, okay?
It's not a crime, babe. But yeah, guys. I hope it doesn't rain when we're down there, because I don't know, the rain has been so sporadic lately. Like, I don't understand. But see you. We're going to the barbershop, so later. At the barbershop now. It's a long walk up here. It made me sweaty. So I'm just waiting for Kimar to cut off his hair and all those things. Look at me now. I am here waiting for chicken and chips. We're in the store. Order chicken and chips. I'm just waiting for it. is very extremely hot right now. Can't even manage. No, I bought a hot dog as well. So Kimara went to go buy a broom and a mop.